I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger buns soft, only way. Use enriched dough with butter and milk, hydrate generously, and handle gently to preserve air pockets. Stretch and fold rather than vigorous kneading, and let the dough proof until puffy but not collapsed. Bake with steam for a light crust and cool on a rack to keep centers tender and moist for the best soft burger buns. Start with whole milk, softened butter, and an optional egg to enrich the dough and make crumb tender. Measure flour accurately and aim for slightly sticky, well-hydrated dough that holds bubbles. Add a small amount of sugar to feed yeast and promote golden color. Mix gently, using stretch and fold motions to build gluten without tightening the dough, which keeps buns soft and pillowy after baking. Shape dough into even balls with gentle motions to preserve gas and softness, then let them proof until puffy and springy. Brush with egg wash for color if desired, and introduce steam during the initial bake period to keep crust thin and soft. Rotate pans for even browning and remove buns when they reach a light golden hue. Cool on a rack to set crumb while maintaining moisture inside the bun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.